Hey guys, how's it going? It's Black Joseph from ONN TV Hacks. If you're looking for the best IPTV player in 2026 for your ONN devices and aren't sure which one to choose, don't worry, I've got you covered. In this video, I'll show you the perfect IPTV player for your ONN device, so you can enjoy smooth, buffer-free streaming. Stick around until the end, and make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Alright, so the first step is to head over to the menu at the top using your remote and select the settings icon all the way to the right. Now, this is where you can change all your device settings. Scroll down to System and select About from the list. Next, scroll all the way down to Android TV OS Build. This part is important, so pay attention. Click this option 7 times continuously. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Once you see the message, you are already a developer. That means developer mode has been successfully enabled. Press the Home button once. Now we need to install an app called Downloader. This is where you'll install all your favorite apps. Go to the menu at the top and select Apps. If Downloader appears in the suggestions, great. If not, use the search bar and type Downloader, or use your voice command to find it. From the list of Downloader apps, select the orange one at the top. Click Install, and in a few minutes, it will be ready. While it's downloading, take a moment to hit subscribe. It'll barely take a second. Once installed, open the Downloader app. The first time you launch it, accept all the necessary permissions. Click on the hashtag icon and then type this code, 85333602. This will take you to my ONN TV Hacks downloader page, where all essential Android apps are organized into categories. To find IPTV Smarters Pro from the list, simply select the IPTV Media Player category and scroll down. There's the IPTV Smarters Pro app. To install it, you just need to click on it and then wait for it to download automatically. Most of the apps listed on our Downloads page begin downloading automatically, but if they don't, you'll be asked to press the download icon to start. After that, click Install and complete the process. Then click Done. Before installing any of these apps, make sure you're using a VPN to protect your streaming activity and unblock geo-restricted content. Surfshark is a reliable option. You can grab an exclusive 87% discount on its 2-year plan, plus 3 months free using the link in the description. After installation, you'll be prompted to delete the APK files. Press Home, and you'll find IPTV Smarters Pro in the Apps menu. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, don't forget to subscribe. For more in-depth guides, expert reviews, and updates on streaming and TV devices, visit ONNTVHacks.com. Thanks for watching, and I'll be back with another video soon.